Want to factory reset your iPad without a computer? Whether your iPad is frozen, locked, slow, or ready to sell, this video will show you how to reset it using buttons in different situations. Part 1. Can you factory reset an iPad with buttons without a computer? 1. What factory reset with buttons means? Buttons don't erase data directly, they help restart the iPad or access reset or erase options. 2. When you can reset without a computer, you can unlock the iPad. You know the passcode and Apple ID. Erase iPad is available. The device is online. 3. When a computer is needed, stuck on Apple logo. Recovery mode fails. Forgot passcode or Apple ID. iPad is disabled or unresponsive. Part 2. Factory reset iPad with buttons without computer. Restart. Hold top plus volume, then power off and on. Reset. Settings general transfer or reset iPad erase all content and settings. Tap continue, enter passcode and Apple ID, then confirm erase iPad. Part 3. Reset iPad without computer using recovery mode. Buttons. Step 1. Force restart. No home button. Vol up, vol down, hold top. Home button. Hold home plus top side. Step 2. Check. Try unlocking and opening settings. Step 3. Reset. Follow prompts and confirm erase. Part 4. Factory reset a locked iPad without computer. Enter wrong passcodes until iPad unavailable or security lockout appears. Tap erase iPad. Confirm, then enter Apple ID password. The iPad will erase and restart to the hello screen. Bonus. A more flexible way to factory reset iPad. If buttons don't work or you need a deeper wipe before selling, use a tool like Mobikin Eraser for iOS. It erases iPad data more thoroughly than a factory reset and supports one-click wiping on iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Step 1. Launch Eraser for iOS. Visit the official website, install the program on your computer, and launch it. Then connect your iPad using a USB cable. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on the iPad. Step 2. Get into the Select Security Level window. Once your iPad is recognized, click Erase from the main interface and choose a security level low, medium, or high according to your needs. Step 3. Erase iPad to sell. Type Delete into the confirmation box and click Erase again to proceed. The software will begin removing data and may restart your iPad during the process. Keep the device connected until the process finishes.